Let's go over how to make the text size larger. If you'll notice, for example, there's little captions underneath the apps here, and the words are really small. So let's go over how to make the words larger, and this will not just be for your apps, but for when you're sending a text message or you're on the web like Google Chrome. It'll make the text larger in just about every section of the phone. So we'll swipe up, and we're gonna swipe up again and go to the Settings app. From here, go to Display, and then go to Display Size and Font. I went there really fast. Go to Display Size and Text. Tap there. And here you have font size, you have display size, and you have bold. Now watch as I drag and make the font size bigger. You'll begin to see the titles of the apps much clearer. There we go. So now be careful making it too big, because at some point you won't even be able to read the names of the different apps. So you want to try to find a sweet spot, which I think this is the sweet spot right now. Next is the display size, which makes everything bigger or smaller. So if I start to bring this up, you'll see how the size of the icon is getting larger as well as the text. There we go. So there will be a lot more space to see your apps, and hopefully you'll be able to read the names of the apps a lot easier. You can also make the text bold. This is enabled right now. It makes the text bold, easier to read. And there's some other add-ons here as well. So that's a brief rundown of how to make the text size larger so you can easily see what's going on your phone. If you want to watch the full video that this is from, beginner video, check out that link to the left, and to the right, you'll find a link to my full playlist with all my other videos. Check out these resources to help you continue learning your phone. Thanks again for watching. Take care, and as always, have a good one.